Believe it or not, there is still gold out there just waiting to be found in the United States. We are not talking about flakes in a pan from a tourist trap, but real genuine gold nuggets, maybe enough to change a life. So grab your hat because we are going on a virtual treasure hunt across America to discover the richest places to strike gold. First stop, we are heading way out west to the glittering deserts of Nevada. This state is a gold mining powerhouse responsible for a whopping 75% of all the gold the US produces every year. That's a massive amount. And while most of that comes from big industrial mines, there is still plenty of opportunity for recreational prospecting. Places like the Rhea Patch State Recreation Area, northeast of Reno, were once booming gold mines themselves. Now it's open to the public for panning and metal detecting. Just remember, the best spots are usually claimed by those who know where to look. So be prepared to do some research and maybe get creative with your prospecting location. Next, we are moving north to Alaska, a state synonymous with rugged beauty and, you guessed it, gold. Crow Creek Mine near Anchorage is a fantastic spot for would-be prospectors. This family-owned operation offers a unique experience, a chance to pan for gold on historic mining grounds. They have been pulling gold out of those streams for over a century, and there is always the possibility you might uncover a nugget someone missed. Plus, it's a fun and educational outing for the whole family. Next is California, the land of sunshine and gold. The Golden State lives up to its name with numerous spots perfect for prospecting. The Urban State Recreation Area in the South Hills of the Sierra Nevada Mountains is a great place to start. This area has a rich gold mining history, and with the American River running through it, the potential for finding some gold flakes or even small nuggets is definitely there. Just be sure to check the regulations for panning and metal detecting before you head out. Heading east now, we land in Montana, a state known for its stunning landscapes and, of course, gold. Libby Creek, nestled in the northwestern part of the state, is a popular spot for prospectors. Gold was first discovered here in the late 1800s, and people have been panning and metal detecting in the area ever since. There have been reports of some decent-sized nuggets being found over the years, so who knows what treasures must be waiting to be unearthed. Our last stop takes us to Colorado, the Centennial State. While it might not be the first place that comes to mind for gold prospecting, Colorado has a surprising gold mining history. Summit County, in the heart of the Rocky Mountains, was a major gold producer back in the day. Nowadays, there are still opportunities for recreational prospecting, particularly around old mine tailings. While you might not find the biggest nuggets here, the sense of discovery and the chance to connect with Colorado's gold rush past is an adventure in itself. When prospecting for gold nuggets in these areas, it's essential to research gold regulations, obtain necessary permits, and follow best practices for responsible prospecting and mining. Additionally, investing in proper equipment and seeking guidance from experienced prospectors can increase the chances of success. Remember, there is no guarantee of striking it rich when prospecting for gold. It takes research, patience, and a good dose of luck. But that's all part of the thrill. Even if you don't find a fortune, the experience of exploring the outdoors, learning about the history of gold mining in the US, and maybe finding a piece of gold yourself is truly unforgettable. Folks, making videos like this takes a lot of time and effort, so I kindly ask for your support by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. It won't cost you anything, but it would mean the world to me. And here are more videos that you can enjoy next. Thank you for watching.